Alright guys, so I'm in the garden right now and I'm going through my garden, and then I realize I have to harvest this PattyPan squash. Never grown one before, never harvest one before, and now I'm blown away. I think I let it grow too big. It got a little bit big, but hopefully it's still delicious. It's a really unique plant. It's a different I mean, I grow round zucchini and I thought that was beautiful, but this PattyPan squash is so beautiful. I'm going to show you guys right now. So I wanted to step back to show you how a PattyPan squash plant look like. So you can see right there. So that's the PattyPan right there. This is a yellow color one. I know there some white looking one too, but let me show you guys something up close about this plant. I did not prune any leaves or dare touch anything on this plant. So as this plant, look at this guys, beautiful. Holy smoke. Yeah, I think I left this on too long. I'm gonna harvest this right now, but you could see how this plant is growing, and it's just keep growing. And you know, we have more coming up right over there. Show you guys right there, and we still have another one right on the top over there. So it's like looks like a little like spaceship or something. Look at the stem coming upward, and then you just have a bunch of male flowers. I mean, this plant literally have a lot of male flowers. You could see how it's like branching off to the side, different growth, you know, all over this plant. So if I don't harvest and prune this plant, it could literally like take over my whole garden. Now that I'm really thinking about this stand back, it does take a lot of space up in your garden if you don't prune it. Like it's massive. It's a big plant. Come one hand here. Scare on, cut it. All right. Oh, there you go. All right, let's see. Whoa! Oh my God! Look. All right, we're gonna get that out of here, guys. Look at this. So beautiful. Get this one spot out of there. I don't like that. Whoa! Now this is a squash. Look at this, guys. I don't know about you guys, but I'm really excited about this. So this is my first time growing a PattyPan squash. Guys, check in the link in the description. I'm gonna leave more details about this. And you know, you guys should try one of this. You know, plant it and try it. There it is. First ever PattyPan squash in GreenTGarden. Beautiful, guys. Maybe I could just take a bite. Pretty sure we just gotta cook this. So I don't know how to cook this, so I have to do some research. If you guys ever had one of these or cook it and know a great recipe, please comment below and share your recipe or secret, and maybe you guys could help me out figure out how to cook this. If you ever grow or harvest one of this beautiful squash, comment below, share any tips, guys. We would love it. But as you guys can see, I just wanted to share this beautiful moment right here of this beautiful squash. And guys, don't forget, if you're new, welcome to GreenTGarden. I'm all about home gardening. If you want more videos, subscribe and click the bell icon. It's 100% free. Every time I upload a video, you guys will get it right away, and you join GreenTGarden. So let's grow a better garden together. And thank you everyone for watching, guys. Quick video, and I have tons of video. Check out the playlist.